Hi everyone, I am so excited for you to be here today because these are the brand new Chrome Flakes from Magpie Beauty. These Chrome Flakes are incredible and they are chameleon just like the new Sisters collection. So first we have Petal, she reflects pink and gold, Clover reflects green and purple, and Bloom reflects blue and pink, and they are stunning. There are actually a couple of different ways that you can apply these, and I wanted to go through each one individually. Starting with a dark background, I've chosen Magpie Black Betty, and this does have a full 60-second cure. I'm going to pat on the Chrome Flakes using my applicator brush just directly onto the tacky layer of the gel. And isn't that so pretty? I can't get over how beautiful these Chrome Flakes are. So definitely want to take off the excess dust and then give this a good coat of Don't Be Tacky and cure for 60 seconds. Moving on to application number 2, this is going to be a chrome design, and we are starting with a base of Black Betty that has been cured for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with a layer of Don't Be Tacky, and once I have that nice and level, I'm going to give that a 60-second cure. Using my Magpie chroming tool, I am simply going to rub all of these chrome flakes into that Don't Be Tacky, and it is going to break up and make the prettiest chrome. Be sure to dust off any excess, and then you'll want to give the free edge a nice buff. And this is just so that gel has something to stick to because we're sandwiching a powder in between 2 layers of gel, so you definitely want to buff the free edge. And then go in with a layer of Magpie Give Me Strength, give that 60-second cure, and then go in with your top coat, which is Don't Be Tacky, and give that a 60-second cure. I have swatched all 3 of these for you so that you could see how gorgeous they are. This is Bloom. On the left you can see where I patted it into the inhibition layer. The middle is chromed and the right is chromed with matte top coat. This is Clover. And finally Petal. These beautiful chrome flakes and so much more are available for North America at magpiebeautyusa.com.